Wheel RV sales here. Going over another nice diesel pusher we just got in. This is a 2012 Tiffin Phaeton 42LH. We're going to give a brief little good overlook at the outside. This is a tag axle bus on a Freightliner chassis. Awesome full body paint unit. Tiffin does a great job on these. Outside entertainment. I'll show you here. Awesome. On these chassis here, you get tons of storage space. Propane up here. Open all these up. These nice bus doors here. This coach was optioned in. Has two big passenger storage trays on this one. Very clean unit. Good awnings, everything like that. This coach just has right under 45,000 miles on it. Has a Cummins Onan 10K generator. Perfect for all your ACs and everything in this coach here. We're going to come on the inside. We'll give you a brief overlook of it. Awesome colors in here. The 42LH is probably one of the best floor plans Tiffin does in the Phaetons. You get your nice L-shaped couch here. It also comes out. Gives you a perfect seating. You know, there's not really a bad seat in the house for your television. Your nice little chair over here that's kind of freestanding. You can move wherever you'd like. Then you got your nice dinette table here that also extends out. Gives you you can set two more chairs there as well. Solid surface countertops all throughout this awesome motorhome. Plenty of storage over top. This is a bath and a half as well. 3 ACs. Full residential fridge over here. Tons of space in it. Half bath right here. We'll get a shot of it. Nice, good and spacious. Tons of cabinet space inside of it as well. Coming here to the master bedroom. Big king size bed, ceiling fan. Ton of storage in here. Also, both of your thermostats will be back here. Like I said, this unit has 3 ACs in it. Real easy to access. Nice countertops in here for more storage. Tons of space in this unit. I mean, everywhere back here in this big master bedroom. MCD roller shades, really nice feature. Coming back in here to the master bath, real good size shower, huge closet, ton of storage in here. You know, awesome master bath here, nice countertops. Also, this unit does have a stacked washer and dryer in it as well. If you want to come back through here, we'll kind of show a little overlook of the whole floor plan. And again, this is a 2012 Tiffin Phaeton 42LH, bath and a half. I believe right under 45,000 miles. An excellent used diesel pusher for somebody. Been taken very well care of. Feel free to contact us if you have any more questions. My name's Jake. I'd love to help you.